welcome to GWiz Academy. In this video we will see how we can install WordPress under subdomain. So in the previous video we have seen that we have created a subdomain called admin.gwizcourses.com, and similarly I have another subdomain called as tutorial.gwizcourses.com. So we can install any of the WordPress instance under any domain. So right now for this tutorial I'll be installing under tutorial.gwizcourses.com. So let's get started. Log into your cPanel account, and once you log in, search for SoftClose app installer. So under the software option we can see that SoftClose apps installer is over here. So in case your interface is different or you're not able to get hold of this option, you can always make use of search bar, as I mention always. So yeah, now let's click on SoftClose app installer. Over here you can see the WordPress option, so just click on install. Perfect. Over here we will be selecting our subdomain. For example, I have a subdomain called admin.gwizcourses.com and tutorial.gwizcourses.com. I want it under tutorial, so I'll select that. And if you already have any directory, you can even mention that. And this is the version, so latest one is 6.1.1. you can select any version of the WordPress. I'll keep it the current one. If you have a SSL certificate, then you can keep it HTTPS, else you can just proceed with HTTP. So your site name, whatever it is, this is not mandatory. You can always change it from the WordPress dashboard. Okay, this is not mandatory. Do not focus on this one. The important thing is over here, admin username and then password. You can mention your own password as well. Admin email, you can keep it as it is, or you can change if you have another email accessible. And over here will be if you want any plugins to be by default activated or say installed and activated, then you can select it. We'll keep it as it is. And similarly we have themes, so if you want to develop from scratch, you don't have to select any options from here. So over here you can see there's a email installation details too. For example, you have a team member and you want to share the details with them, this login details exactly which we have entered, then you can mention the team members or whoever you want to send the details to, enter the details and then click on install. I do not want to share any with any members, so I'll directly click install. Okay, already existed tutorial. Let me try for admin.gwizcourses.com. So right now I'm installing it at admin.gwizcourses.com, and then I'll just proceed install. Perfect. So I already had the WordPress instance at that domain, so I was not able to install it over there, but right now I have successfully installed it admin.gwizcourses.com. Similarly, you can install it whatever domain you want to install the WordPress for. Let's quickly access the dashboard over here. Perfect. So you see we have successfully installed the WordPress instance under admin.gwizcourses.com. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below, and please do subscribe to GWiz Academy. Thank you.